Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 9020 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search for HP OfficeJet Pro 9020 support and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 9020 all-in-one printer series. Open that up. And then underneath the support category that says software and drivers, select that button. And then scrolling down, select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. And let's begin extracting it. I think I accidentally opened it up twice there. So just only click on it one time. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just give it some time to go about actually setting that up. And then you just would follow along with the on-screen steps here. Just configure your settings depending on your preferences for your printer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.